Yeah!
We'll be learning to draw a horse. So grab a sheet of paper and a pencil and let's get started. We're going to start by drawing our horse's head. Let's start by drawing an oval or a rounded rectangle like this. There you go. Now you have the base for your horse's head. Now we need to add 2 little ears. Draw 2 rounded triangles on the left side of the oval. Great work, guys. It's time to give our horse a face so we know how it's feeling. Starting with the eyes, we will draw 2 big circles side by side in the upper part of the horse's head. Inside them, draw 2 smaller circles for the pupils. On the other end of the head, our horse needs a muzzle. A muzzle is what we call the horse's nose and mouth area. First, the nostrils. Let's draw 2 more small, dark, black circles so it can sniff the grass and plants when it eats. Our horse will need a mouth too. The horse is hungry and it's about to eat something. Let's draw another small circle sticking off the end of the oval. Inside of that circle, draw a smaller circle so that the mouth is open. Horses are always hungry. For the body, make a long, rounded rectangle shape for the horse's chest and belly. Then, you'll need to connect it to the head with 2 lines, making a long neck. Good job! Horses have long tails made of hair. At the end of the round rectangle shape, draw a long, thin tail that curves slightly up at the end. On the top of the neck, we need to give our horse a beautiful mane. A mane is what we call the long, thick hair that grows from the horse's neck. Let's draw it. Make some curvy lines that follow the shape of the neck to give the horse a glamorous hairstyle. That looks perfect, you guys. Horses live on big, open ranches or fields. Let's give our horse some legs so it can trot and gallop around. Make some long, thin rectangles attached to the bottom of the horse's body. Horses have 4 legs, but since we're looking at our horse from the side, we can only see 2 of them. So we only need to draw 2 legs. One on the right and one on the left. There you go. Next, add a line just above the bottom of each leg. These will be our horse's hooves. Hooves are the strong part at the bottom of an animal's leg, a bit like a pair of shoes. So far, so good. Look at our majestic horse. Now that we've drawn our horse, it's time to make it beautiful with lots of color. You can use the ones that we're using, or you can get creative and choose your own. Actually, horses can come in lots of different colors: black, white, brown, red, gray, even with spots and stripes. The sky's the limit. For our horse, we'll use tan, light brown, dark brown, and black. We will color the muzzle tan, nice and light so it stands out. Great attention to detail. Use light brown to shade in the entire body of the horse. Our horse is just one solid color, but you can be creative here. Maybe try giving it some big patches of a different color. Our horse will have a dark brown mane. And tail. So elegant. We'll also color in the horse's hooves with the dark brown. You could even choose a color like black or gray and make a small patch above the hooves to give our horse some little socks. With the black crayon, color in the pupils of the horse's eyes. We'll leave the rest of the horse's eyes white, so be extra careful just to color in the small circles right in the middle. Last but not least, the muzzle. Use your black crayon to color in the mouth and nostrils extra dark so that we can see our horse's face nice and clearly. Great work, everyone. Our horse is ready to gallop away. Giddy up! Parents, your child did great. We'd love it if you'd share their artwork with us on social media for a chance to be featured on our channels. There's nothing better than seeing the art made by our Lingokids families around the world. Just tag us. See you next time. More songs and activities on our YouTube channels.